Hello, Pestilence here, back again, and this time I have a second Romer and Company padlock, which I don't know, I wasn't really thinking about it when I ordered it. I didn't realize that I had this other one coming. However, I have it. This one came locked, and I was able to pick it open. This is a number 0. As you can see, and this one, which I showed you in my other video, is a number 1. They have the same keyway. Let's get over here. There we go. So this one is the little brother to this one. And as I said, they were made by Romer and Company, and they were located in Newark, New Jersey. And that's all I have. Really don't know anything more about them. I don't believe that the key says anything on it. No, I don't see anything. But anyway, so that's all I have, and if I get any more information on the company, I will let you know. So thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.